Hey everyone, nice to see you again. Today I want to talk about two very useful pairs of words in English, both and neither nor. Both and. Let's start with both and. Imagine you have two sentences like this. I have a dog. I have a cat. You could just say, I have a dog and a cat, but native English speakers love to use both and to show that you have two things. So, you would probably say, I have both a dog and a cat. Neither nor. Now for the opposite, neither nor. What if you don't have either of those things? I do not have a dog. I do not have a cat. Instead of just saying, I don't have a dog or a cat, we use neither nor. It's a much more natural-sounding way to connect two negative ideas. So you would say, I have neither a dog nor a cat. Using them with different parts of speech. The great thing about both and neither nor is that you can use them with more than just nouns. You can use them with adjectives, verbs, or even whole phrases. With adjectives. Instead of saying, I am clever, I am beautiful, you can say, I am both clever and beautiful. Instead of saying, I am not clever, I am not beautiful, you can say, I am neither clever nor beautiful. With verbs, you can combine I run every day, I swim every day into I both run and swim every day. Or if you don't do either, you can say I neither run nor swim every day. With phrases, if you want to connect two longer ideas, like I run a business in New York, I have a 4-year-old son, you can say, I both run a business in New York and have a 4-year-old son. And if you want to make that negative, it becomes, I neither run a business in New York nor have a 4-year-old son. It's that simple. I hope this helps you feel more confident using these words. See you next time.